come up with the idea. I was thinking of a desk, but then I was like, you know what? Let's just full blown do this wall into big cabinets, and it's still a work in progress. I pretty much dedicated all my time to getting this done. You can go out there and film as much as you want. The magic really happens when you take the card out, put it into the computer, and do something with it. So this is what I've been working on. Like, I know you want to see me working the cows. I know you want to see me out there making dust in the fields. Or even taking this barn down. This wood here came from that barn, and then so did my kitchen table in here, which I will come show you. Yep, all that wood there came from that barn, and I plan on taking all the tin down and doing videos on that stuff too. But this is what I've been doing. Once this gets wrapped up, I swear the videos are gonna flow, but hey, that doesn't matter, it's all good. I've done all this myself, brought all the wood in here. Let's get into something that, you know, I filmed recently. I don't know, I need it in front of her somehow. Oh my goodness, Kora. We're heading out to round up some crazy calves that broke out a few days ago, and they're across the creek. And I have no idea how this is gonna go. But we've got a good helper with us. So let's go do it. See, we're having to go around the road here because the creek just can't be crossed right now. We're trying to bring the calves on this side of the creek so we can catch them again. It should be right up here. Are you gonna take that?
There they are.
We're about to miss the gate. Calves are right over there. They don't know we're here yet, so this could go either way. What do you say to try to push them
Towards him. He said he was going to come that way. He's over there with the Kora.
Oh. Okay, Dad's across the creek in the Kubota with some other cows, and hopefully they join up with them and then we can catch the rest. They're going the right direction right now, but that could change any minute.
Hey, cow.
The little one has spotted the calves.
Hey, cow. Hey, cow.
Cows across the fence aren't going to help.
So excited. Keep it going, cows. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Now this spot right here is kind of tough to cross. They don't really know where to go.
You want us to get out?
I don't think. No, I would not get out. Circle back. Get them.
What are you telling them? Are you growling at them?
I wish they would go Right
That
there.
way.
Yeah.
What are these noises you are making? Kora.
I don't know what she's telling them.
She's telling them to get a move on.
Yep. And
You're listening so far. All right, Kora. They're going.
oh man, this has gotten a lot worse.
I don't know if we're gonna make it across that.
I'm not making it across that. Gonna have to go around over here. But they're headed the right way, which is perfect. Oh, I just don't want them to go back right.
We have spotted the calves cam.
Keep going, I can go down over here.
Problem is, we can't get in there.
Here. I'm just gonna get ready to go that way, and I think I may. I hate to step out on foot and run the whole.
Should we send Kora?
Kora, you wanna go get them? Say, come on, gal. All right, they're getting a move on. Hopefully they keep going, but not too fast. If they can just brake on the other side of this. All right, they are making a run for it. Okay, we got them in a good spot right here.
There's the other cows right there.
They just need to go right over here. Oh, yeah, there's other cows down in the creek. This is the part where we don't need to lose them. Is he honking?
Yep.
All right, this is perfect if they keep going. Surely they spotted the cows. Tell them, Kora, tell them. They're gonna have to find their way because it's pretty washed out right here. Come on, keep going. And there they go. This is the spot where we can't cross, so we just wanted them to join up with the other cows mainly.
Yeah. No, there's no way we can't cross here. Do you want us to come around the other side, or do you want to just leave them, or what?
Just leave them.
Okay.
Well, we pretty much done what we could do. I guess go back now.
Good job, Kora.
Job well done.
Good job telling those cows what to do.
Well, this rebel crew has made it over here by the hay barn in my house. Maybe there's a small chance they might follow me in the pens. I doubt it, but at least they're on this side of the creek now.